Okay, so I feel like nobody talks about the realities of home ownership because
Like I said this before, if you don't know how to fix few things around your home, you're better off just rent it. My name is Tariq, and I had the same frustration when I first moved to America. I've always find it so fucking extremely ridiculous that the labor is more expensive than materials. So I took actions and I decided to build a solution that solves that problem. Now, before I show the solution, let me show you an example. This price here is about taking out a toilet and replacing it with a new one. You can see YouTube TikTokers are talking about $500, $600 to do that simple of a job, but you will be shocked how much this job was actually done for. So clients needed a plumber. He needed a toilet to be removed and a new one installed. Posted a job and he had a $150 budget. And you would be surprised, 7 bids, 150, 150, 150. I mean, most of these people, 250, 150, and you get the idea. He decided to hire somebody, got the job done, and these are the pictures of the completed work. And this is the map of all the contractors, the plumbers that were notified about his job. That's him. These are all of the contractors. Everyone set up the service area and everyone set up distance, how far are they willing to travel. And if your job you received interests you, you can bid. Bidding is free. So if you have a homeowner, you need to download the AllBetter app today. This is going to help you save thousands of dollars. Also, it stores all of your paid invoices on the app. So when it comes to the end of the year and you need to get all those invoices for your tax return, they're right there. No more chasing and papers. And the second thing is when you book someone through the app, there is no exchange of money. The work has to be completed to your satisfaction. They take photos to prove that the work is being done, and then you give the app the okay to release the fund. allbetterapp.com.